Good morning, everyone. So this lab session deals with the configuring the sandbox with malware analysis tools. So far, we have completed 4 sessions. The first session is the introduction about this lab, malware analysis and reverse engineering lab, where we have dealt with the um, basic introduction about the static analysis and dynamic analysis, and what is about reverse engineering, and what are all the types of malwares we have to deal with, and um, finally, so virtual machines. So these are all the introductions we have seen in the first session. And then in the second sessions, we have start configuring the malware analysis lab, and I have given some introduction about malware analysis lab. So what are all the tools we are in need to create our own malware analysis lab. So say for example, virtual machine is there, VMware is there, and VirtualBox is there, Oracle VirtualBox is there. So these are all the different softwares where from where we can create our own malware analysis lab. And in the third sessions, we have started to set up the malware analysis lab. We have downloaded this Oracle VMbox in our system, and we have installed this software, and we also downloaded some virtual images from the internet, say for example from the Microsoft domain, and we have imported this virtual image to our virtual box, Oracle virtual box, and where we have created our own malware analysis lab. So this is what we have studied in the 3 sessions, live demonstration practical sessions. And in the fourth sessions, we have did an assessment where 25 number of questions have given in the basic, introductions about this malware analysis and reverse engineering lab. So in this session, that is in the session 5, we are going to configuring our sandbox. The sandbox is nothing but our virtual machine uh, with the malware analysis tools, with different types of malware analysis tools. So in this session, I'm going to deal with you the static analysis tools alone, not the dynamic analysis tools. You note it down. We are going to deal with the static analysis tools, how to configure how to do a basic configurations in our sandbox with this malware analysis tools. So the configuring the basic configuration in a virtual machine, before starting to install our tools in the virtual machines, we have to do some basic configurations in our virtual machine. So the basic configurations are, we have to change our configuration in our virtual machine into host only network. So because if I am executing a malware in my virtual machine, it may enter into my host OS, right? We have seen the difference between the host OS and guest OS, right? If I am installing my OS in the virtual machine, then that is called actually guest OS. If I am having my OS in my original laptop or original desktop, means then that OS is called actually host OS. So if any malware executing in the virtual machine, I mean that in the guest OS, it may enter into the host OS also, into my main system also. So for that, for avoiding that, I have to configure my virtual machine with this host only network, right? Host only network. In a short while, we are going to see a demo in how to configure this host only network. The second one is actually drag and drop option in virtual machine. Sometimes some files are present in my host OS. Say for example, some static analysis tool what I have downloaded in my host OS, from where I want to transfer to the guest OS. So I'm going to transfer some file, some file, maybe any file, maybe an executable file, maybe a document file. If I want to copy that file from my host OS towards the guest OS, then this option, drag and drop option, have to be enabled in my virtual machine. So this is the second demo what we are going to see. And then third one is a fake net. Say for example, if I am executing a malware in my virtual machine, sometimes it may communicate with the internet, right? So it may communicate, if it is communicating with my internet, after that only it may show its original behavior. So if it doesn't have internet in my virtual machine, then it will not show its original behavior. So for that, for that we have already disconnected the internet in my machine with the first option, host only network. So if a malware is in need of communicating with the internet, I have to install this simulation tool FakeNet, where it will make the malware to believe that it is actually present in a internet communication. So that is the third tool, third very basic configurations we are going to see as a demo. And finally, the fourth one is actually we have to disable the firewall and virus protection in my virtual machine. So this the fourth one, I think there is no need for demonstration, I think, because you know already how to disable the firewall in a system and how to enable and disable the virus protection in your system, right? So this is the first demo, host only network. So here you can see my virtual machine. So this is my virtual machine. So in this virtual machine, I am going for my settings, right? So in the settings, so say for example, I am selecting my malware analysis lab. So this is my malware analysis lab, image. So in my virtual machine, this is a malware analysis lab virtual image. So I am selecting this image and I am selecting the settings. So in this settings, I am going to select the network, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth option is my network. In this network, there is an adapter 1. Adapter 1 is there. In this adapter 1, it has been attached to previously the NAT, right? It has been attached previously to the NAT. I am changing the NAT towards host only adapter. So this is how you have to reconfigure from NAT to host only network. If it has been already configured in the NAT, you have to switch over to host only adapter. So this will enable your virtual machine not to communicate with the original machine. Not to communicate with your original host machine from the guest machine. Guest machine is actually your virtual machine. So by enabling the host only adapter, it will never communicate the host machine from the guest machine, right? So the second demo is actually, I will let you know, I will explain with this slide, and I will let you know the consolidated demo of this 4 option, right? So the second option is actually drag and drop option. So here the same thing, I'm opening my virtual machine and I'm selecting my virtual image malware analysis lab, my lab, what we have configured. So I'm selecting the settings, right? I'm selecting the settings here. After selecting these settings, I came to know here a box will open, a box will pop up here. That in that, for the first option is actually general. So it has been, we have to move to the basic general option towards the advanced general option. In that advanced general options, we have to change this thing. Previously it has been disabled. We have to change it into bidirectional. We can copy or drag a file from a guest to host or from the host to guest. We can do this thing by selecting this bidirectional option. And also you change this shared clipboard from the disabled option to bidirectional option also. I will show you a demo regarding this also. The third demonstration is actually FakeNet. FakeNet is a tool that will make the malware to believe that it has been actually communicating with the internet, right? If I am doing this thing, host only network, then there will be no internet in your virtual machine. So if there is no internet in your virtual machine, means some malware has been designed in such a way that it will communicate, it will exhibit its behavior when it communicates with the internet only. So for that, I am installing a software called FakeNet. So while installing this software in my virtual machine, it will make the malware to believe that it is actually present in an internet communication. So I will show this 3 demo. a short while. So getting into my virtual machine. So this is actually our virtual machine. So in Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager is there. This is our virtual machine. So this is my malware analysis lab, what we have created in the previous lab session. I have taken an initial snapshot. I have explained you how to take an initial snapshot in the previous class, right? It is very easy, right? We have to take a snap. Here it is there, right? Take a snap. And also today I have created another snapshot called static analysis tools. After installing all the static analysis tools in my virtual machine, right? So I will tell you clearly how to install all the malware analysis tool in my virtual machine now itself. So before that, we have to see these three configurations. So for this three, for seeing these three configurations, I mean the basic configuration, the first configuration is host only network. For that you have to select you have to select your